Guys, I'm at Music Park, so I come here to spend my evening here. So I'll spend some time here. It is now at 7 in the evening, so you can see people are here. They are spending time here. So I am spending some time here, and I will go back to my place. So it's a beautiful place. You can see, guys, the park is very beautiful. You can see this bird, guys. What are the name of this bird? You see this bird. This bird look like Frank Colin, but it's not Frank Colin. In Denka we call it a wedge, but it's not a wedge. So it's wedge. It's wedge. Yeah, we call it wedge. They resemble the bird which in Dinka language. You can see, guys. They resemble a bird called wedge. So this canal is here. Look, the place is very beautiful, guys. You can see it is evening time. Yes. So I'm spending my time here. So it is evening here, and guys, it's a little bit cold. It won't rain, but it's a good weather we are enjoying. Yeah, you can see me, guys. So I'm here fully. So I'm in a city called San Benedetto, and San Benedetto is one of the beautiful city in Cagliari. I've been telling you guys that Cagliari is a capital city of Sardinia Island, and being in Highland is my first time to live in Highland, and I find it is very good here, guys. The Highland is beautiful, and Sardinia is the second largest island in Italy after Sicily. You see, this is how we call it Sardinia. This is Sardinia. Sardegna. It's Sardinia. And these are the flag of Sardinia. This forehead, this head, plus this head, plus this head, plus this head. And these are the head that are in Sardinia flags. There are four Morris heads. There are four Morris heads. Morris head. So these are in Sardinia flag. Okay, guys, you can see them here. They are also here, and here is a Cagliari. This Cagliari, you can see, guys. Let me. Yes, this Cagliari is a capital city. Yeah, it's a capital city. It's a capital city, Cagliari. But now I'm not in capital city. I'm in San Benedetto. San Benedetto is near capital city. It is like if it is walking, let me say, approximately 15 minutes to go to Cagliari, and a bus is like 5 minutes. Yes, it's not that far. So here I'm in a music park. You come here only to play music. If you are a music lover, you the purpose here is to come and play music or to come and loiter around here. You can see, guys, there are so many people around here. So that's the purpose of the park. It's a beautiful park. So it's a beautiful park, guys. You can see there. This water is for some birds. Yes, it's a very nice city. Yes. So that's where I am in now. San Benedetto Music Park. Music Park. Guys, what is the name of this tree? That green tree here. I will end the live, guys. So I want to go to the other side. Look how the beautiful it is. This is only fact, only fact. So look, guys, there they are walking out their dogs. You can see them. They're walking out their dogs. That's what they do in the evening. Look at this bird. They are coming here. Yeah. Mm, okay, guys. I hope uh, I'm going. So I want to say bye. Oh, the bird they are coming. They walk around here to catch the insects. You see, the bird. Oh, guys, this is all about San Benedetto Music Park. So that's where I'm in now. Look how it is beautiful. Look down here. Down here is the like the food timber. See, all the way there is food timber. You cannot touch the soil. No soil here. So that's how beautiful San Benedetto is. Music Park. So and there, yeah, yeah. Those people are walking out their dogs. Yeah, guys, I want to go. So I have to put on my sweater to go. Yeah, I'm going. School. So guys, I'm going outside. Going outside the park. This is the gate of the park. Going outside. Yeah.